Hi, Mark here. It is Thursday, March the 12th, 10:45 a.m. Eastern, 2:45 p.m. GMT. Let's have a look at the US dollar's performance. Strong US dollar again today. Higher highs, higher lows, third consecutive day. Did start off, let me just put up the hourly. Started off weak during the uh, Asian European session, but bounced up off the support level when the US session got underway. And as you can see now, resistance at 99.40. We'll see if buyers can break through this resistance level, tough level to break through, but certainly US dollar on the strong, on the front foot to start. And now that we're into the US session, let's have a look at the majors, starting with the euro against the US. And there you see a continuation of the downtrend, selling euro, buying US dollar. Third consecutive red candlestick, lower highs, lower lows, testing the same support as yesterday at 115.12. I've got resistance at 115.65. We'll see whether that does continue, dollar strength continue and maintain around the support level, or even perhaps push lower. If there's going to be a turnaround from strong to weak US dollar, buyers will look for a bounce up off the support area and look back up at the resistance. Pound against the US. Similar pattern, three consecutive lower highs, lower lows, pound being sold off against the US right now. I've got support at 133.56. I've got resistance at 134. You can see what a tough support level this is. We'll see if dollar buyers selling pound, buying US can break below this and maintain below this level, or if we're going to get a bounce again from strong to weak US dollar, and buying pound, selling US bounces up off this support level and looks back up at the 134. US dollar against the yen. Started weak. There's the wick left behind that was selling US. As you can see, US dollar bounced up off this support level, which sits at 158.55, and I've got resistance at 159.23 and hanging around that resistance level for now. We'll see whether buyers can break this resistance level. Tough level we can see beginning of the year. Wasn't able to maintain above this 159 and came down strongly. We'll see whether sellers do step in, selling US, buying yen off this resistance, or if the US dollar can maintain this pressure at this resistance area or even push higher. Strong US dollar again against the yen today. US dollar against the Canadian. There you see small green candlestick testing resistance at 136.12. I've got support at 135.74. You can see the wick, this wick left behind that was selling US, buying Canadian. US dollar started off weak at the Asian into the European session. Now we've got that turnaround, strong US dollar, bounced up off this support level and looking to maintain above this 136 level for now. All our resistance support levels being tested by a strong US dollar now. We'll see whether that maintains, even perhaps goes further, or if we're going to get a turnaround through the US session from strong to weak US dollar and perhaps give up some of those gains. Good trading, and I'll see you at the end of day.